Hi kids, welcome in our today's maths session. Before starting revision of subtraction, we'll learn some mental subtraction. So, let us start with mental subtraction. For that, we'll take a sum which is there in your textbook, page number 70. There is no place, so we are solving it in our notebook. So students, you have to start with me in our notebook. Take a pencil in your hand and write mental subtraction. And our question is subtract mentally. So from this one we are taking first sum. 48 minus 24. So to subtract it mentally, what we have to do? We have to split this number. What we are writing it? 20 plus 4. So for first what we will do? We have to minus 48 minus 2. We have to minus 20. One number from this 20 from 48. And like this sums we have done. How we have done it? Tens, ones, tens, ones. If there is 0 in ones column and any number, so our answer is 8 here. The same number will come answer. And then we are subtracting 2 from 4. So 4 fingers you have to open and cut 2. So you will get answer 2. Means total answer is 28. Now what we have to do? Now we have to take this number here and this 4 number we are going to cut from it. 24. We are cutting 4 number from 28. So what we are doing like this way, if it is there, backward counting. So 28 before 27, 26, 25 and 24. So our answer is 24. This is our answer. Let's see one more sum. Number 2, 36 minus 11. So here we are splitting this number 10 plus 1. Now what we are doing? Subtracting first number, that is 10, from this 36. Again see, tens ones number is 6 and here 0. So what answer will come? 6 will come as the answer in ones column. Now cut 1 from 3. So 3 fingers open, cut 1, you will get 2. Here is 26. Now 26 we have to take first and subtract the second number, minus 1. So when we are subtracting one number, we are counting backward. So 25. This is our answer. Let's see next one. Third one. 58 minus 46. Split this number. 40 plus 6. Now cut 40 from 58. 58 minus 40. What answer will get? 8 and 0 will get 8 as an answer. Then tens column, 5 is there. Cut, open 5 fingers and cut 4, will get 1. Here 18. Now this 18 we have to take first and cut 6. So count backward. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and 12. So here is your 12 answer, final answer. We'll see number 4 sum, that is 59 minus 25. Split this 25. 20 plus 5. Cut 20 number from 59. 59 minus 20. Write tens ones. 9, 0. So your answer here, ones column is 9. Now open 5 fingers, cut 2. you'll get 3 as the answer. Now 39 you have to take first. Cut 5. 5 we have taken from here. So 5 you have to cut. Count backward. 38, 37, 36, 35 and 34. So your answer is 34 here. This is called mental subtraction. You can also try taking different numbers in your notebook. Now we will start our revision. Today we are going to see revision number 1 from chapter 4, subtraction. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. So now how we have learned backward counting like this way. If single number is there, we are doing backward counting and writing the answer. So 84 minus 3, what we are counting? Backward 3 numbers we have to count here. 83, 82 and 81. So here our answer is 81. Next one 59 minus 8. Count backward 8 numbers. 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52 and 51. So here is your answer 51. Now see, two digit numbers are there. So write tens and ones. See, ones column there is 0. So in the answer ones column there will come 0. Now open your 3 fingers. Cut 1. So you will get 2. So total answer is 20. Now next one. Tens, ones, ones column there. Both the sides 0 number is there. So in the answer also ones column there will come 0 number. Now 7 minus 4. Open 7 fingers, cut 4. You will get 3. So 30 is your answer. Next sum we'll see 53 minus 30. So tens, ones. Here is 3 and here is 0. So 3 is your answer in ones column. Now tens column, open 5 fingers, cut 3, you will get 2. So total answer is 23. Now next one, 95 minus 50. Tens, ones column see 5 and 0. So in the answer also ones column there will come 5. Now 9 minus 5 you have to do. 9 fingers open, cut 5, you will get 4. So total answer is 45. Next fill in the blanks. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. What is this? Fill in the blanks. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. So for example, we'll see here what 0 from any number. So we'll see here 6 minus 0 will get the number itself 6. We'll see next one. When we subtract a number from the number itself, the difference is always 0. We'll see once again. When we subtract a number from the number itself, the difference is always 0. We'll see an example. We'll see here. You see, if 9 is there, we subtract a number. So 9 number we are subtracting from 9 number only. So we'll get answer 0. So this is your eighth one fill in the blanks. Next fill in the blanks. We can check the answer of a subtraction problem by addition. See, we have checked the sum, subtraction sum by addition. That sums we have solved already. Now see next one. 13 minus 0 is equal to dash. So when we are subtracting 0 from any number, we are getting the number itself. So say 13 will come as it is. Next one, 11th, 26 minus 26. So any number minus the number itself. So we are getting the answer 0. These are our properties. So again, now from 40, which number you have to subtract, you will get 40. So this example is there. If you replace 13 by 40, so this also, so what answer will come here? 0. Next one, 65 minus dash is equal to 0. So same number if you will subtract, then only you will get answer 0. So 65 minus 65 is your answer. So students, we'll see in the next session, revision number 2. Till the next session, bye students.